Some say my videos are really goofy. I say this video is just about Goofy. What do you think about that one, huh? Yeah, there's some Goofy for you. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the ThePEZBook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. It's a weird looking 9. See that injection mold company? That's for Spain. So you'll see the IMC 9 on the USA and also the Spain dispenser. Because this is a Pezomania edition, I do not have some other Goofies to show you the different mold markings. What's most important here was the stem and the inner sleeve. You can see how yellow that inner sleeve is. But somebody wanted to see a Spain Pez dispenser. So here you go. Just like you asked for. Very cool looking Goofy. Not all my videos are goofy, just ones like this. So until next time, here we see the made in Spain. This one happens to be a 3.9. Injection Mold Company 9. Plastic hinge, plastic spring.